I'll make a quick video for YouTube username Gavin Matthews. He been following me for a while on this project right here. Again, people, I've been working on other things, so I haven't had time to do much with this car. Doors are not on yet. Those are the last things that I have to do. I'm thinking about putting them on after I paint the car. I'm not sure yet. Painting has also been pushed back a little bit. You see the new chair sitting in right here. Don't look too bad to me. It's like a two-tone plush cloth seat with the matching headrest, and then I have the fold-down seats back here. Y'all know all the system set up and shit. I got dual power, dual ground, 0 gauge. This is wired down to 0.5 ohm, and I will be doing a Felx video for username Gavin Matthews. Y'all go follow his webpage, his YouTube page, see his progress. I'm gonna put a link down in the description of his page. Young dude getting started in the music game, so y'all just check him out, give him some tips, whatever you can. I'm gonna rip out some Young Jeezy. No. I'm gonna go with some Gucci Mane. Yeah, I'm gonna play some Gucci Mane. Again, this is a Felx video with the car off. So my car is not running at all. Currently, I'm at 153,000 miles. But this is a rebuilt. This is a rebuilt transmission in here from a factory, certified, and it cost me a grip. And this is another engine that I got from the junkyard with about 70,000 miles on it. So that cost a grip too, and I had to put it all in myself. So I beat the labor charge. New catalytic converter, new gaskets here and there. Y'all follow my progress. Y'all see how much shit I done did already. But again, name Gavin Matthews. That's the YouTube username. Felx video for him. Two things. My passenger side mirror is kind of broken, and my trunk latch is fucked up. So I had to readjust it and retighten it. So yeah, a couple of things have broken in this car, and my quarter panel is cracked also. Do a little quick Felx video. Again, the car is not running. Accessory mode, RPM off. Let's go. I'm gonna listen to some Gucci Mane. Where Gucci? All right, Gucci here. We're gonna go to Trap House 3. I'm gonna let treble kick in, then mid range, and then bass. So yeah, that's how I'm gonna do it. You hit highs, mids, and I'm gonna kick the low end.
What's up? Hey, T, come on, man. Man, we out of cut again. Fuck. I told Pot to bring the press. Apply some pressure to the cat. Yeah, I got 1,000 keys of cut. Nigga, guaranteed I make this money stack. Nigga, I'm tryna make this money fast. Nigga, I'm tryna get this shit together. mama ain't understand.
Now I'm gonna start the car up, and we're gonna make a little flex video with the car running, because again I am at 0.5 ohms, so I'm putting around 4,000 watts out of this crescendo audio right here, 3500, with the car running. And I'm gonna do another video so you guys can see it with the car running, see any difference. I would do the same song, but I don't want no damn problems with YouTube and this copyright shit. I already played the crap anyways, but yeah. It's hard to find a song on here that these people ain't gonna cite you for on YouTube. Damn, it's a long ass video. I'm ready on 8 minutes. Let me see if I can find a quick song. I have a lot of music on this fucking radio. Let me go to Black Bar Mitzvah and Black Bar Mitzvah, which is Rick Ross. I'm gonna go with Itchin'.
We getting real money, my nigga. Ricky Rose,
volume at 16.
The Untouchable Empire. MMG. I'm excited right now.